Welcome friends, Class 7 Mathematics, Chapter 4 Angles and Pairs of Angles. In the last lecture, we have seen practice set 15. Now today we are going to start practice set 16. Okay? Before going to start practice set 16, we should know what are complementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. So friends, here necessary condition is what? Sum of two angles should be 90 degree. Okay. Now see, question number 1. The measure of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. Okay. Now start. First angle is given 40 degree. We have to find complementary angle of 40 degree. So answer, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Okay. Now 40 plus x, this angle plus this angle, addition is 90 degree. This is the main condition. Sum of two angles should be 90 degree. So taking this 40 to right side, it will become negative. That means x is equal to 90 minus 40, that is 50. So this 50 is complementary angle of 40 degree. Okay. So you write answer. Therefore, the measure of the complementary angle of 40 degree is 50 degree. Okay. Now friends, in this way, we can solve remaining angles. Second example, answer, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. 63 plus x is equal to 90 degree. This plus this is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to 63. Taking to right side, it will become negative. 90 minus 63 is 27. Therefore, our answer is the measure of the complementary angle of 63 degree is 27 degree. Third example is 45 degree. Answer, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. This plus this is equal to 90 degree. So write 45 plus x is equal to 90. Therefore, x is equal to, taking 45 to right side, 90 minus 45, that will be 45 again. So the measure of the complementary angle of 45 degree is 45 degree. Fourth example, here angle is 55 degree. Answer, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Therefore, 55 plus x, that is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to, taking this 55 to right side, it will become negative. 90 minus 55, that will be 35. So our final answer is the measure of the complementary angle of 55 degree is 35 degree. Now fifth, 20 degree. Answer, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. So therefore 20 plus x is equal to 90. So x is equal to, taking this 20 to right side, 90 minus 20, that is 70. So the measure of the complementary angle of 20 degree is 70 degree. Sixth example, that is 90 degree. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Therefore 90 plus x is equal to 90. This angle plus this angle, sum is 90 degree. So therefore, taking this 90 to right side, it will become negative. 90 minus 90, you will get 0. That means the complementary angle of the angle 90 degree is 0 degree. Next, x degree. So answer, let the measure of the complementary angle be A. Here x is given, therefore you take A here. Okay, complementary angle is suppose A because x is here. So x plus A, that means this plus this, that is equal to 90. So taking this x to right side, it will become negative. 90 minus x is A. That means the measure of the complementary angle of x degree is 90 minus x degree. Write this in bracket and then degree. Okay. Now question number 2. Y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. So these are the two angles given, and they are complementary angles. So we have to find this angle and this angle. That means what? We should get value of y. If you get value of y, put here value of y, you will get measure of this angle. Put y here, you will get measure of this angle. Okay, this is the central idea. So first of all, these two angles are complementary angles. Therefore, we start with answer. Here y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. If these two angles are complementary angle, their sum is 90 degree. So y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equal to 90. Now solving this, y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equal to 90. Now y plus y, that is 2y. Again 20 and 30. This means 30 is positive, 20 is negative. That means 30 minus 20. You will get 10 plus 10. Because whenever we do subtraction, we give sign of largest number. Okay. So here 30 and 20. Largest is 30. Therefore subtraction is plus 10. Remember, this sign is given to subtraction. 30 minus 20 is plus 10. Is equal to 90 as it is. Now taking this 10 to right side, you will get 2y is equal to 90 minus 10. That means 90 minus 10 is 80. So 2y is equal to 80. That means if you want to find the value of y, you should divide by 2 to this 80. That means taking this 2 to denominator of this, not to right side, but denominator, because here 2 is multiplied. Multiply means divide. Okay, so y is equal to 80 upon 2, and 80 upon 2 is 40. Dividing by 2 to 80, you will get 40. That means value of y is 40. So measure of angles. First angle is y minus 20. Put value of y is 40. That means 40 minus 20. You will get 20. So first angle is 20 degree. Now second, the measure of angle y plus 30, you have to find out. Put value of y. Y is 40 plus 30. You will get 70. That means the required two angles are 20 degree and 70 degree. So friends, we stop here. In the next lecture, we are going to start practice set 17. Till then, goodbye.